Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 17. In the figure AFJD, AFJD is a straight line, then AGHC is a straight line, then BGFE is a straight line, and last one BHID is a straight line, and CIFJE is a straight line. These 5 straight lines are given and we have to find the angle A, angle B, angle C plus angle D plus angle E, the sum of 5 angles, angle A, B, C, D, E. We have to find the sum of these angles. So in this triangle AFG we have only given one angle, so I am giving the name it like this is A1 and this is A2. So suppose that this is B1 and this is B2. Similarly, this is C1, this is C2, this is D1, this is G2. Similarly, this is E1 and this is E2. So now in this figure, each triangle having the 3 angles A, A1, A2, B, B1, B2, C, C1, C2, D, D1, D2, E, E1, E2, and these all make 180 degree. So in the center of these 5 triangles we have a pentagon. The pentagon is HGFJI. In pentagon is GHIJF. This is a pentagon. Look at here, at this point A1 is the exterior angle, because at this point if I extend this line, so A1 is the exterior angle and A2 is also the exterior angle, B1, B2 is also the exterior angle of the pentagon, C1, C2 is also the exterior angle of a pentagon, D1, D2 is also the exterior angle of a pentagon, E1, E2 is also the exterior angle of the pentagon. But if I consider A1 as an exterior angle, then I have to consider B1, then C1, then D1 and then E1, because if I consider at this point A1, for example, this is a pentagon, this is a pentagon, it is F, G, H, I and J. If I extend this line, so this is the exterior angle which is A1. If I consider this A1, then I have to take then I cannot take exterior angle here, I have to take exterior angle here which is B1. So if I extend this line, so this is C1, and if I extend this line, this is G1. If I extend this line, this is E1. So I am trying to say that in this figure we have 2 set of exterior angle. If I consider A1, then I have to take B1, then C1, then D1 and E1. These all are the exterior angles, means that A1, B1, C1, D1, E1. A1, B1, C1, D1, E1 are one set of exterior angles. So similarly, if the I am again drawing the pentagon, this is J, F, G, H and I. If I extend this line, then this line, this is A2, this is A2, this is A2, then I will extend this line. I have extended this line. Now I will extend this line. This is B2, then this is E2, then this is D2 and this is C2. if I take the exterior angle this type, so these all are the second set of the exterior angles. So in this figure we have two set of exterior angles, A2, B2, C2, D2, E2 are second set of exterior angles of the given pentagon. I am trying to say that if I take A1, then A2 cannot be considered, because if you are considering exterior angles, so if you extend this line, this is A1, then you have to extend this line. This line cannot be extended in this shape. Then you have to extend this line, you have to extend this line. So these are all the exterior angles of one set, these all are the exterior angles of second set. They cannot be taken at same time. Now we one thing we know that sum of all exterior angles, these exterior angles of one set, single set, sum of all exterior angles of any polygon is equals to 360 degree. Now moving to this figure, if I add A1, A2, A1, A2, then these three angles will make 180 degree. Then B1, B2, these three angles also make 180 degree. Then C1 and C2, these three angles also make 180 degree. Then D1 and D2, these three angles will also make 180 degree. Then E1, E2, these three angles will also make 180 degree. So here we have 5 triangles and we have added all the angles of 5 triangles. So the sum of all the angles of these 5 triangles will make 5 times 180 degree. So it means that A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, D1, D2, E1, E2 will make 5 times 180 degree, which is equals to 900 degree. Now arranging these angles like A, B, C, D, E, A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, A2, B2, C2, D2, E2 will equal to 900 degree. A, B, C, D, E. Now A1, B1, C1, D1, E1. These 5 angles are the exterior angles of one set, and the sum of these exterior angles will make 360 degree. It means that as we know that the sum of exterior angles of any set, of any single set, is equals to 360 degree. It means that the sum of these angles will make 360 degree and the sum of these angles will make 360 degree. So here A1, B1, C1, D1, E1 will make 360 degree. Similarly A2, B2, C2, D2, E2, E2, these will also make 360 degree, which is equals to 900 degree. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equals to 900 minus 360 into 2, 720. So it means that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E will be equal to 180 degree. So this is the question number 17. Inshallah in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.